Because with these, you don't need to do another background check to switch the frames. There's a serial number on the printer. So.
Driving courses all get vaccinated, so
very dependable prices.
you would have came too.
Think so?
I couldn't believe there was something. Can you come in here?
Yeah. You didn't have to use one. No. I gave you like 6 bags. Springfield.
Hey, I'll tell you what, I was only in 4, so hey, you still already
said, with some goodies, and then another one had a 22?
Legitimately, like, obviously, my friends, what's the one that's like not the blood, the one? This regulation. And just like, when they asked me, I just like started laughing. Like, they're like, no, right? And just,
How'd it go?
I don't know. He's talking about the Beretta. It's like it's easier to like, for Amy
Oh, okay.
bracket and not get skin caught in it and all that. He said basically they all like empty their rounds on the right side.
Oh, you
But it's just
basically
just
can't
easier
get
to
around
pocket,
it.
But he said like that gun's been around since the 80s and it's
Right.
issued and it's as reliable as it gets. I think nothing was more reliable than a shotgun.
Well, that's
You're
true
gonna get them.
for like
check this out.
home protection.
And then you gotta do like drywall after that.
Yeah. Wow, that's probably the least of your worries.
Yeah. When I just fucking, like just saw somebody laugh,
Yeah. They have like, they seem to have a lot of Glocks here.
Yeah.
Which one?
Shooting. Go ahead and record for YouTube.
Yeah.
Dude, go right ahead.
All right.
Never been shy about it.
575 plus tax.
So,
I watch the show. I watch the channels on YouTube of the gun shows.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so trust me, I get it.
that's like a good starter pistol.
What are we looking for? What's your budget?
$500 and it's like home protection. So like something
Perfect.
that me and my wife can use as well,
In that range, it would be hard for something.
It's so much harder.
For you to feel comfortable shooting. Your wife would be okay, but for you, it would be comfortable. So in that range, I would recommend something like the Walter. It's a 380. The PP, the CCP. It's an easy clock back. So
That's what I'm looking for.
this one's also ambidextrous, straight keys on the sides.
What's better? Like, what are, I mean,
You like Beamer or do you like Mercedes? It's preference when it comes down to it.
what is what?
Do you like Toyota or do you like? That's really what it
These
comes
are-
down to brands.
Oh, yeah, I was like, damn.
No,
What do you think?
that's the ambidextrous look you're looking for.
I have I have the SIG 365. I like SIG.
365 is a great one.
Yeah.
What is this one?
That one is the P322.
So what's the difference then between this and that?
It's
Like,
just-
what am I supposed to be?
So if you were to go buy that separately, the gun and the red dot, it would be like 13, 14.
It's tempting.
This one after taxes.
Let me see it.
Yeah, check out
Here, can you hold this for a second?
So after taxes on this one, you're looking at about 1120.
How come so many stands it's like all included? It's just that's what they price it.
What are you guys doing?
This is without the phone. All right. Check out some other.
Thanks, man. A bunch of pistols here.
The police officer had this one that we had drinks with and shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could ask them if they have like left-handed. What size do you think?
Huh?
What size are you thinking? Like full size?
Yeah.
Kinda like
it's
that.
like your, what do you got, a 19?
I got a 19X, which is this one. Yeah.
I got fucking 45. Long barrel. Can't miss with that, right?
Well, I mean, I just saw it.
Some body on it. All the blocks.
Huh? Cinema.
I keep telling myself, I don't get a new one. I won't do it.